action. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to WKSY 97.9, the voice of Siem Reap. All right, so today we're doing English class. We're going to talk about plots. Plots. So, who can tell me, raise your hand, what is the plot of the story, of a story, or the plot of your life? What is a plot as it relates to a story? Let's see. Katia, you're on the air.
The place.
Nope, not that kind of plots. Anyone else? What is the plot? Anyone? No one? No one? Really? Seriously? All right. Really? No one? Come on. The plot is the main event of a story, play, or movie. It is basically what the story is about. Okay? So what is the plot of the Telltale Heart? Who can tell me? What is the plot of the Telltale Heart?
The narrator killed the old man.
Okay, the plot is about a man who kills an old man. All right, that's a very basic plot. Sometimes we want to give a little bit more detail. Just man kills an old man. Yeah, that's the plot of Betty's story. Let's give it a little bit, just a slight bit more detail to that plot.
Crazy man kill an innocent old man.
There we go. That's better. Crazy man kills an innocent old man. Okay. So a bit more detail. Crazy man kills the old man he takes care of because he doesn't like his eye. He is eyeist. Stop moving the stuff, Lakshmi. Okay. All right. So we're going page 60 in our English books, please. Page 60. All right. Page 60. All right, so plot. So yesterday, I told you guys you had to watch a movie or a TV show, whichever movie you wanted. Why? Because, well, today you're gonna give me a summary, okay? So what is a summary? A summary is just a very short version of the story. Hold on, Yuming, okay? So you tell the story, by example, in 3 sentences, right? So in the Telltale Heart, the man takes care of the old man and he doesn't like him because he is scared of the eye. The man kills the old man and hides him under the floor and then goes crazy when the police come to the house. All right, so that's a very, very short summary. So what TV shows and movies did you watch last night?
I thought we watched in class.
You didn't say that. I never said watch. Yes, you may.
Oh. Yesterday I watched got like some kind of ghost movie.
You don't know what you watched?
Well, the title of the movie.
Oh my God, that's a toilet.
The car passing by. The title of the movie.
I don't care what the title. I don't care. I do not. You make.
Okay.
I do not care about the title.
Okay.
All right. So all of you. Okay. So what's the summary of the story?
You want us to summary it, or you ask me?
What did I just say? What's the summary of the story you watched? So explain the story in like 3 or 4 sentences.
Okay.
Okay.
Or like a short paragraph, okay?
We do in Google Doc now.
Oh my God, I'm asking you to say it.
Oh,
Oh, speak it. Use your mouth,
Okay.
your vocal cords.
You asked me to say it. Okay, first of
Oh
all,
my God. Just answer the question. What's the summary of your story? Who are you talking to, Kamai? Anyone else has a summary of what you watch? Just very quick. What happened in the movie or TV show that you watched
Can we tell
yesterday?
about anime?
I don't care what you watched. Just what is the summary? What happened in the story that you watched? Hello? Oh, V2, you're here. Yes.
So I I didn't watch yesterday, but I still remember that story.
Yes.
In that story, there was two guys. They're trying to find the virus that affects a girl in that movie. That girl will spread it all around the world in just 24 hours.
Okay. All right. Good. Thank you. That's a summary. Okay. Sometimes in the summary, you don't want to say the ending because you want people to watch, but sometimes you do. It all depends. Anyone else? Yes. Let me see. Juman, you're on the air.
okay. Well, there was a group of students. They like to they like to know things. So they heard about the ghost story that the old grand tell them, and then they try to find that ghost, and they got stuck in the house. The only way to get out of there is to um, find the ghost picture and throw it in the fire.
All right. Good. Thank you. All right. Anyone else? Let's see. Panyawood, you're on the air.
Yesterday I watched the movie that two guys try to find the virus, who made the virus.
Okay, cool. Excellent. Any other? To the quiet people as usual. You're quiet in class and then you're quiet here, but then you talk when you don't need to be talking. Kanaka, Lakshmi, Monirat, Paneet, Sivmin, iPhone 3. No answers? All right, okay, fine.
Training dogs to be guard dogs.
All right, training dogs to be guard dogs. A little bit more detail in that summary though.
There's this guy who train dogs to be protection dogs, and they can be sold for a lot of money.
Okay, all right. And anything happens? Is there like a bad guy or anything like that?
No, they just show how they train and stuff.
Okay, excellent. Thank you very much. Arigato.
Yeah.
All right. All right, excellent. Let's see. Yes, V2. You're on the air.
Yeah,
Can I tell the other one, another summary?
Sure.
So in that story, there was like rich people. Even though they're rich, they're trying to like look down and also rob the poor people more to get them to make them rich. Until one day, a guy comes to that village and tell them that he doesn't care that they call him Lord or thief. That means that he doesn't care if, because he's trying to rob rich, the rich the rich person back.
All right. Cool. Thank you. All right. I need to meet you all for a second. All right. So That's a summary, right? So you're telling basically a very short version of the story. So that's what you have to write. So activity 1, this is what we just did, okay? So you're gonna have, you said it, so if you answered by speaking, you already answered. You just have to write what you answered. If you didn't raise your hand, give me an answer, you still have to write it. Okay, so activity 1 is you just give a summary of the story. Okay, we did that, spoken. Activity 2, you're going to write that same summary, but you're going to try to write it so it's like a story, not like when you're saying like, and then this one guy, like Bob, he like went to the toilet, and then like, after he like had a giant poop that was like 5 meters tall, okay, he's sitting on top of the toilet, and then like he realized he cannot reach the bum gun because it's too far down, and the toilet paper, there's only like 2 sheets of toilet paper. So he's stuck there on top of the giant mountain of poop, and then there are millions of cockroaches with millions of legs, so they're not cockroaches. Okay, so you are going to write the summary, but write it like you're telling the story. So don't, like I said, in the movie watch, so make it interesting, make it sound like you're making this story, okay? Any questions? It doesn't have to be very long. At most, 1 small paragraph, that's it, okay?
So about like 6 or 7 lines.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Yes.
So, but don't do it now. We're just, you can do it after. Okay, so just start writing it like you're gonna do a story. All right.
Yes.
Okay. Our next topic, really quick. Is this.
Urban. Bye.
The urban.
Urban legends.
legend.
So what is an urban legend?
Oh.
Anyone know? The writing didn't fit. What's an urban
A
legend?
myth. It's a myth.
Farmer.
It's a
A
myth.
myth? Okay. An urban legend is a story that's been told so many times that people think it's true. Okay, they're not true stories, but like, did you hear about that one guy in Pug who like had 3 arms coming out of his head? Oh my God, it was like so disgusting. Okay, and you're like, no man, that's not a true story. But then someone else tells you the same story, and then you go to Pull and Pen and someone tells you the same story. You hear it so much you think it's true, so you start telling the story. Okay, so that is an urban legend.
Which it also happens till today.
Yeah, well, yeah, they're very common still. Okay, a very famous urban legend in the U.S. is that people put poison in Halloween candy, and people always say, "Oh, in the next town, these kids died when they ate the candy," and so they like test the candy and stuff like that. There has never been a child die from poison candy in the U.S. except in 3 cases. And each of those 3 cases, it was their own parent who put the poison because they wanted to kill their child.
Oh,
Yes. Not very good
wow.
parents. Okay.
Yes.
Brutal.
Usually urban legends will start like, oh yeah, in Pug. Or I heard it really happened to my friend's friend or something like that. Okay, so they are quite common. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. What, Juming?
So we need to for the movie that we watch, we need to submarine and write in the Google Doc.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, here's examples of some urban legends. All right. The baby train. It's called the baby train.
Why? Baby train.
Baby train.
Wait, that's a weird baby train story. I'm not gonna read that. All right, Bloody Mary. That's an urban legend. You know Bloody
Yeah.
Mary? Bloody Mary is when you go to the mirror and you call Bloody Mary multiple times.
Oof.
Okay?
Uh,
So you say Bloody Mary, Bloody Mary, blood 3 times, and then she will come out of the mirror and kill you.
eh.
Okay, that's
Right.
an urban legend. You should try it.
Okay, I will do now. Wait,
Okay.
wait. I'm going to the mirror.
No,
Wait.
whatever. I don't want you to die in class.
What?
Okay, so there's lots of urban legends. One is the rocket car in the US. So basically, this guy found this rocket, or he bought it, he put it on top of his car and turned it on. And he was going so fast, he couldn't turn, and he crashed into the mountain. But it never happened because the police never had an accident report for that time. Okay? So, how about in Cambodia? Any Cambodian urban legends?
There's
The
quite common and a lot though.
the app. The app.
Okay. The app,
App. Yeah.
it's an urban legend.
Yeah. About also like ghost.
Okay.
Yeah, anti-ghost. Oh my god, app.
Cute.
Okay. So,
Yeah.
apps an urban legend. Are you sure? You've never seen one?
We never
not
seen
real.
one, but
What is not real?
Okay. What else?
Yeah.
What other urban legends? Kanaka, Lakshmi. Yes, Jumeng. Jumeng, you're on the air. Everyone should be unmuted. Stop muting yourself when I unmute you. But you cannot unmute yourself. See, that's the thing. Aha, aha.
About the gothic story or the scary movie, I heard that the Cambodian traditional movie will coming up soon, maybe when the corona a bit down.
What does that have to do with urban legend? Tell me a Cambodian urban legend.
Because it's a bit topic about the gothic and the urban.
What?
Okay, so what's a Cambodian urban legend? They mentioned one. App. What else?
Coronavirus. They lie. They lie in the news.
They lie in the news. But I don't think that has been long enough to become an urban legend yet.
Mr. Jorge, ghost named it. It is impossible. People said it's real.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
It's a movie.
Okay, good. Okay.
and also they also believe though.
Have you ever noticed how? Hey,
Krista, do you know pride?
prank. Why don't you explain what prank is? Kanaka.
Mr. Jorge,
Hey,
it's just like
Kanaka.
Titan.
Yeah.
It's just like Titan,
Kanaka.
Yes.
Speak. What's prank?
I don't know how to explain.
I know how.
Yes.
It just like in from one day, which people pray for them. Like when people go to hell.
Yeah.
If they do bad thing when they are alive, and when they go to hell, they become one of them. Like they are big, have small mouth. Like they stay in hell.
Why you draw a dog?
Hey, let Jumeng speak.
Yeah, let you speak. Well, it is in hell when people do bad stuff, and when they go to hell, they become one of them.
Okay.
Like suffer. And that's why people in Cambodia make human for them, like so we pray for them, we give them food or something.
Yeah, pray for
Okay.
them so to do more bad things.
And why you draw them
kissing.
on the computer?
All right.
Yeah, that
Have you ever noticed how dogs always start barking a lot late at night?
oh yes, because of
always
their
agree.
eyes they see ghosts.
They see ghosts, right?
if you don't talk about traditional, because people, old people said that dog can see ghosts at night. That's why when we shine the light on the eye is glowing.
Uh-huh.
And some people said when the dog howl, they try to find female, or they see in
Yeah,
a night dog or people.
Or ghost.
Okay.
or
Maybe.
Mr. Jorge,
cool.
there's
Yeah.
four things. Like if you get the dark tears from the eye, and then if you wipe it on your eye, you will
Yeah.
also see the ghost.
If you wipe dog tears on your eyes, you're a complete idiot, and you deserve like not to ever have children. Don't.
Oh,
That's disgusting. Ew. But yes,
Yeah.
can be an urban legend. Okay, sure. Okay. Okay, so there are all cultures have lots of urban legends. Okay, so in our book on page 61, there are 4 purple paragraphs.
English book.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. We study
Okay,
English.
A, B, C, and D. They are out of order. Your job is going to be to put them in the correct order, so it tells the story. Okay.
Okay.
And then you must write the final paragraph. Paragraph
Wow.
E. Yeah. So all you have to do today is activity 2 and 3. You already did activity 1. Okay?
What?
Sorry. Okay. So activity 3, you put
oh my God.
the paragraphs in order, and then you write the last paragraph, paragraph E. All right, that is the assignment. So activities, only activities 1 and 2 on Google Sheets. Okay, put them both on the same document. All right, that one is due on Friday, fun day. Okay, so activities 2 and 3, page 60. So 2, you do the short summary like you're writing the story of the TV show that you watch. And activity 3, you put the paragraphs in order and you write the last paragraph. Okay, make sure your paragraph matches the story. Don't just say, oh, and then like aliens came out of the butthole and like he died. Okay, no, it has to match the story. Questions?
I have a question
Yes.
about the um
Summary.
about the submarine story, the Gothic story. Are we giving you today, or do one day?
What did I just write on the screen that I'm erasing right now?
Give on
Do on
Friday.
Give on Friday.
Oh, okay.
I'll do on Friday.
Okay. On Google Docs.
Mr. Jorge,
Yes.
is someone speaking Khmer?
What?
I heard someone speaking Khmer.
I don't know.
I don't wanna hear it. I don't wanna-
Page 61, we also need to do it on Friday also.
Yes, on the same document. Okay.
Okay, I understand.
About the page 61, are we gonna write?
The what?
No,
No, you don't
about the
write.
page
You
61,
don't.
Are we gonna
Yeah.
write it all, or we just write?
No. Just write the order of the letters.
Okay.
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 But paragraph E, you must write. So
Okay.
you only
So,
write one
Mr.
paragraph.
For paragraph E, we label E and then we write it.
Yes, exactly.
Yes.
And that's the last paragraph.
No.
We know. All
Oh
right.
my God.
Okay. Now we're gonna go on break.
Okay.
Because we gotta do math. Okay.
Maybe come back.
All right. Welcome back. We're now in math class. Break time's over.
Wait, I thought
Okay. So,
Pass.
all right.
Not
Okay,
even get up yet.
that's fine. That's all cool.
I believe you cannot log into two person.
Oh, Mister, you using Kumpe?
No, I don't have a Kumpai.
Oh, your Mac.
I think this
What's
meeting might
that?
get cut off at 40 minutes. So
Yeah.
anyway, hold on here for a second. What do you see on the screen anyway?
White.
Okay.
Anh đi nhắm ban.
Hey, at
Mister,
Kamai.
is you
What?
at school? You at school or?
Is
at
you
your home?
at school? Oh my
No.
God. Wow. Whoa.
Oh my god, what the hell is the English?
Yee.
How is you at school?
Oh my God. I will pretend I did not hear that, Kanaka. All right, since active
yeah,
learning it's not loading.
Why?
Because active learn is idiotic. Okay, so you see the map page? Yeah, so we're gonna talk about perimeter. What
is that?
a perimeter? It says right there in the book. If you can't find it, seriously, I'm gonna slap you. I'm gonna reach across that screen and I'm gonna slap you. It says it right there in the book.
If we do and
Where is it?
raise your hand up.
Perimeter.
Where is it?
The total distance around the edge of
What?
the shape.
That's perimeter.
Mr. Science project go on next week.
Oh, I know. The perimeter is the total distance around the edge of a shape.
Thank you. And how do we find it?
In the hint box.
How do we find the perimeter?
We
Work
cross all
out
the sides. Add all the sides.
Until the shape. Add up the length of all the sides.
Yep, that's it. Okay. And what is a polygon? A regular
A
polygon.
polygon means a shape with many sides.
A shape with many like sides around.
Okay. 3 or more sides, a regular, but they're all the same size. Okay. So in our book, we have, okay, these are polygons. All right. So what's the first one? What is
Triangle.
Triangle.
And then?
Square.
Square.
And this one?
Hexagon.
Hexagon.
No.
Pentagon.
Pentagon. Yes.
Pentagon.
Pentagon. Penta means 5.
Gone.
Okay.
Pentagon.
Paragon.
Pentagon.
Pentagon.
No. Okay. See, now you're starting to know me. You're doing it on purpose now.
Mr. Jorge.
What?
Pentagon.
What is a shape that has like 7 sides? How do you call it after hexagon?
I think it's a heptagon.
Maybe heptagon.
That should be your assignment to find, okay? Pentagon. Okay, has 5 sides.
Pentagon.
Right? Yes, a pentagon. Stop the baby.
Oh my god.
Who's that?
Someone have a
Nugget.
baby.
Okay,
My
next,
little sister.
don't care. 6 sides is what?
Hexagon.
Hexagon.
Hexagon. 8 sides.
Octagon.
All right.
An octagon.
Pentagon.
No. Pentagon
No.
is 5 sides.
Pen, not pen.
A hexagon, H-E-P, tagon, is
Yeah, hentagon.
the 7th, or septagon. Okay, but it's heptagon.
Boy,
H-E-P-A-G-O-N.
it's so annoying. I can't hear.
Okay, so heptagon is 7 sides. 8 sides is an octagon. Okay, this is stop signs. You see this when you're driving. All right, okay. So remember, regular polygon means all of them are the same size, okay? So for example, in shape B, the square, if one's square is always the same, right? So if it's 2 meters, it's 2 meters on each one. Same with the pentagon. If it's a regular polygon, all right? Can you have an irregular polygon, for example? Vito, you're on the air?
Yes.
Yes, you can. You can have an irregular polygon, okay? So we must be careful, but in this case, we're talking about regular. Now, going back, next sum, part 2. This is a cool part, polygons, okay? So what you do is you add up the sides. Now, we have this shape here. Looks a bit, okay, where's the thing go? All right. Switching here to the screen. Hold on. If the meeting runs out, I'll start a new one because I think it'll kick us out in a couple minutes. Okay, but exercise 2A. Okay, how do we figure out the missing ones? All right, so here's what we do. I will draw this on the ePad. Okay, so let me get the new share here. All right, there we go. All right, so something like this. Okay, that's a beautiful picture. Make fun of it not. All right. All right, and then we have, where is the screen? I need 4 screens. 5, 6, 4, 12, and like that. This is the 1, and this is 2. How do we find 1 and 2? How would we find that?
First of all,
Before we take
cut it.
One at a time. Yo, raise your hand. Yes, B2, you raised your hand.
So we have 2 ways of dividing it. First, we divide the upper part, we divide it into like square, and the down part into rectangle. And then, the next dividing shape is you divide the 4, you straighten it out.
No.
You're complicating things.
take 12 minus 5, then you find the
Right, 12 minus 5, because we have the 12 here, okay? And that's the length of the whole thing. And here we have 5. So we want this number. So if we take
12 minus 5.
5, which is what?
E.
E. 12 minus 5 is E. Thank you.
7.
No,
7 equals 7.
7.
7.
7.
Okay. All right. How about number 2? How do we find that?
6 minus 4.
Right, because here we have 6, which is the whole height, and 4 is the partial height, and then we have left this, right? So this is 6 minus 4, which equals 12, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Really?
What?
6 minus
2.
12? Thank you.
2.
2.
2.
6 minus 12.
Also,
Okay, I think the meeting's gonna stop in less than a minute. When it stops, I'll start a new one.
Okay.
Okay.
Mr. Jorge,
Yes.
by the way, you write like number 2. You
All right, so part B, welcome back. Episode 2. Okay, how do we find this one? This one, the first one here. The left side of the T.
The first one we take 15 minus 5.
50
Oh, no, no.
minus,
15 minus 6.
minus 12.
Yes,
No, no,
15.
yeah. 15 minus 12.
right, why 12?
15 minus 5 plus 12. 15 minus
Minus 5.
Yeah.
12.
Plus
Okay,
12.
so the total width is 15, okay? And
Okay.
here we,
What leg?
Hmm?
Leg. What
Like
slope?
what?
anyway, and so here we have this one has a width of 7. And here there's another width of 5. So we must add these two together, which is 12. Get off the table. And then we have 15 minus 7 minus 5, which is 15 minus 12. So what is the answer here?
3.
3.
The answer is
3.
3. All right. How about here
Yes.
on this height here?
4.
Wait, but this is
3.
3.
11. And 11 minus 2 is 9.
Where did you get 11?
5
6 plus 5.
or 6 plus 5.
No,
Okay.
it's not 11.
So the whole
Yes.
height is 6 plus 5, which is 11.
Yes.
Okay. So the whole height is 11. So 6 plus 5. Okay. We want to know this one. Okay, so the total is 11. What do we subtract?
2.
2. Okay, we look
2.
over here
Yeah.
because this goes, the only part that's missing is the 2 here. Right?
Yes.
Not minus 5 because the 5 would cut part of the line. Okay, so it
Yes.
is 11 minus 2, which is what?
So that's 9.
9.
Oh.
Right? So this thing. Okay. Okay. Ooh, weird. Look at that. It moves on top. Ooh.
Oh my God.
What?
What just happened?
I don't know, man. Okay. Next one. Calculate the perimeter of each regular polygon. Now, what do we know about the regular polygon?
It has the same length in each side.
Very good. The same length on each side. So
Yeah.
it's fairly easy, right? So if it's a triangle, how many sides total?
3.
3.
Who said 6?
What?
3
Oh, no,
sides.
sorry.
3 sides,
sides.
right? And they're all the same.
Three
So
sides.
this one is 2, this one is 2, and this one is 2. So to find
6
Of 6.
centimeters.
all we have to do is what? Multiply
2
the
times
length
3.
of the side.
Multiply.
Yeah,
What?
multiply by the sides.
Right.
How many
Multiply
sides on the thing?
the length by the size. So 2 times 3 is what?
6.
Good. How about this one? B. We have what kind of shape?
Pentagon.
Pentagon.
A pentagon.
How many
shape.
sides?
5.
5.
5. So
5.
what's the
So
answer?
6 times 5.
6 times
So
5.
30,
5 is
30,
30.
30.
30
Okay.
centimeters.
C. What kind of shape?
Hexagon.
Hexagon. How many
Hexagon.
sides?
1, 2, 3, 4,
6.
5,
6.
6, 7.
So what do we do?
5
4 times 6.
by 6.
Only
So
4.
it's
times 5.
meters.
Wait, I look at the wrong
Shape.
shape.
See, so 5 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
So that's
6.
20. Oh wait,
30.
30.
Oh my
30.
God. 5 times 6 is 30. Both of these are the
30.
same.
Mm-hmm.
Lakshmi, where are you? I never hear anything from you. So quiet over there.
Also mình what?
I know, because they keep muting themselves, thinking they can hide.
Yeah.
Oh, finally, Panda had joined back.
Where's Planet?
All right. D, Lakshmi, how many sides? What kind of shape is that?
8 sides.
8 sides. Oh my God, who used crap? 8 sides. Thank you, Lakshmi. What kind of shape is it? What's it called?
Octagon.
Octagon.
Yes.
Good job, Lakshmi. Your voice sounded like a guy, but hey.
No.
I asked Lakshmi. I asked Lakshmi. It's an octagon. So Lakshmi, how do we find the perimeter? What do we do?
4 times 8.
Right. And what's the answer?
What? 4 times 8 is
24.
Take your time. Take your time.
Hey, leave her alone.
24.
No.
No, it's not 24.
24.
32.
Yeah, 32.
24.
All right, Lakshmi, 4 times 8 is what?
32.
32. Thank you. Okay, so the octagon is 32. Now, how about if I give you a 20-sided polygon, regular polygon, a 20-sided regular polygon, and each side, the sides is 5.
Wow.
What's the
Wow.
answer?
100.
100.
100.
How?
It's
How do you
100.
know?
It's 100.
How do you know?
20
We got
times
5
20 times 5, correct. Okay,
Yeah.
so you just multiply the number of sides by the length of a side. That only works with a regular polygon though. All right. All right. What is that noise?
Who's singing?
Bài Panh about.
Hey, who's singing? Who's singing? Who's singing? The Ching Chong.
All right. Next page. On the next page, yes, the same thing. All right. Now, number 5, you have to measure because you're on the computer screen. Don't worry about number 5. Okay.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
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 So
Okay. We need
what you have to do is, what I want you to do, I will send you some stuff later, but I want you to,
Okay.
okay, oh my God, okay.
Okay. Okay.
All right, what I want you to do is find, can you turn the TV
What's
off?
that sound?
Someone's TV. The perimeter of your
Hey, can you guys play Facebook?
bedroom.
Hey.
You don't play Facebook. Facebook's not a game. The perimeter of your dining table. Okay.
Really?
The perimeter, yes. Of your English book. All right. Do you see that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, I see.
Okay.
And I want you to do in the books. Actually, no, I think I'll send you a worksheet later. Don't worry about any book work for math. Just find the perimeter of your room, your dining table, and your English book.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
What's it due on tomorrow, Friday?
Man,
No,
that
no.
one's due like later today.
Today? Okay.
It's not that hard. And okay, we're gonna have to stop soon. Now, today is the final day. You need to turn in the animal observation sheet. Today is the last day you observe. Wednesday, day 10.
Okay.
Mr.
Right. What?
So I will send you on
Science project due on next week.
Science project is because they changed the term schedule. Did you see the new schedule they put on Telegram?
No.
Okay,
Yes.
so they changed. So we have to talk about that schedule later with a meeting today. So don't worry about the science project for a moment. All right.
Oh yeah, about I saw the
Yay!
new schedule and Mr. Jorge.
Yes.
So our first day of term, we entered the school back on April.
I don't know when the school's coming back, dude.
It's Corona time.
About our test. How do we do it?
Corona time.
We'll figure that out. But right now, just worry about doing the assignments, which you have turned none of them in, people. Not a single one.
Yeah.
All right. Don't forget about the shirts. Don't forget about.
Finish already.
Kanika, why I unmute you so you can ask your question? You keep muting yourself. Yeah. What?
Yeah.
And Pani and Monira, they haven't heard a single word from them.
It's Corona time.
Anyway, okay. So for guys, for English, activity 2 and activity 3, that is due on Friday. Math. The perimeter of your room, your dining table, and your English book. That is due today. So I get that email before midnight today. Okay? Science, we don't have time for. I will upload a science video later, but you have to be doing your shirts. That's on Friday if you have not finished. Okay? Any questions? Raise your hand, please. Yes. Katia.
I have a question now. No,
I forgot.
I haven't really checked.
Jumeng. Hello, Jumeng.
Yes, do you hear me?
No, I didn't hear you because people keep moving stuff. Wait.
To write.
Okay, yes.
Like Google Doc, tell us which homework do on what day, like last time.
I just
like the schedule.
Yeah, it's on the video. So the English is due on Friday, and I will put it up later as well on the Telegram group. Okay?
Thank you. Yes.
You're welcome. Any other questions?
No.
No?
Mr. Jorge.
Yes?
About the dining table, do we only measure like the face area, or we also measure?
You're not measuring area, you're measuring perimeter.
Face away.
Okay?
Yes.
Yeah.
Like the perimeter of the area you eat on. Wait, the perimeter on the area you eat on. Yes, Kanika.
How many assignments? Oh.
What?
A lot.
English, activity 2 and 3 on page 60.
No,
And
I know,
math,
but how many? 6 or what? 6 or
I don't know.
Math and science also the science one count the t-shirt thing.
Yeah, the t-shirt.
I know.
So you can count.
Only t-shirt. This only t-shirt.
3, 4. 1, 2, 3.
Who's that?
All right. Any other questions?
3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Any other questions?
No.
No.
All right.
Measuring the book.
All right, so we'll stop here. I will send this, maybe send a science video later. I got a bunch of meetings today to go to.
Yay! It's bedtime.
Bye, Mr. Jorge.
TMI. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
See you next week.
Oh my
See you.